In the world of trading, some chase luck. Others chase knowledge, but only a few like Nicolas Darvas master the rhythm of the market. He wasn't a banker, not even a broker. He was a ballroom dancer who turned $10,000 into $2 million. And he did it with a simple idea. A box. A box that changed everything. 1950s, New York City. While most traders spent their days yelling on the exchange floor, Nicolas Darvas was traveling the world dancing in front of thousands. He'd finish his shows, return to his hotel room, and instead of celebrating, he'd open newspapers. He wasn't reading headlines. He was studying stock prices. Each move, each rise and fall, felt like steps in a dance. Once, hey, Saeed, I did not study economics. I studied price movement, and that's when he noticed something strange. Stocks did not move randomly. They moved in patterns. Darvas began drawing boxers, literally, on paper. He noticed when a stock hit a certain range, it stayed there, like trapped inside a box. Then one day it broke out, and that breakout meant something big. He called it the Darvas Box. This simple box was more than lines and numbers. It was a reflection of human psychology. When prices rise and stay within a range, it means buyers and sellers are battling for control. Once buyers win, the price breaks out, and that's when Darvas entered. He wasn't chasing news. He wasn't watching analysts. He was watching human behavior through charts. Nicolas Darvas had a few golden, unbreakable, disciplined, and timeless rules. Step 1. Only buy when a stock breaks out of its box with volume. Step 2. Never buy cheap stocks. Buy strength, not weakness. Step 3. Always use a stop loss below the box. Step 4. Never listen to tips, rumors, or so-called experts. Step 5. Let winners run and cut losers fast. Once, Saeed. My only sound approach to trading was to let the market decide, not my emotions. This philosophy made him millions. In less than 18 months, his portfolio exploded not by chance, but by consistency. Darvas believed trading was more about mindset than charts. He once said, "A man's greatest enemy in the market is not the market itself, it is his own emotions." Every loss taught him control. Every mistake taught him patience. He treated trading like dancing, each move calculated, every misstep correct. And when journalists asked, "How did you do it?" he replied humbly, "I didn't predict the market, I simply followed it." Today, decades later, Darvas's system still works. Not because markets are the same, but because humans are. Fear, greed, hope, these never change. Modern traders use complex algorithms and AI, but the truth remains simple. The real power isn't in indicators, it's in discipline. If you want to win in the market, learn to read price action. Protect your capital. Let your profits grow without fear. Darvas proved that anyone from any background can master the market, if they master themselves. Once he said, "You cannot make the market behave as you wish. You can only behave correctly, according to what the market does." From the dance floor to the trading floor, Nicolas Darvas left behind a lesson deeper than any chart. Success doesn't come from where you start, it comes from how disciplined you remain when the world doubts you. Subscribe for more legendary trading insights each week. We uncover a new trader who changed the game forever.